Geotechnical services are an essential aspect of any construction project in Faridabad city. These services involve the study and analysis of the soil, rocks, and other materials present at a construction site to determine their properties and behavior under various conditions. By understanding the geotechnical characteristics of the site, engineers can design and construct structures that are safe and durable. Faridabad city, located in the state of Haryana, is experiencing rapid urbanization and infrastructure development. With the increasing demand for housing, commercial buildings, and infrastructure projects, there is a growing need for geotechnical services in the city. These services help in assessing the suitability of the soil for construction, identifying potential risks such as landslides or soil settlement, and providing recommendations for foundation design and stabilization measures. One of the key aspects of geotechnical services in Faridabad city is the design of shallow and deep foundations. The soil conditions in Faridabad vary across different areas, ranging from clayey to sandy or rocky soils. Geotechnical engineers conduct site investigations to understand the soil properties and determine the appropriate type of foundation for a particular project. This could include shallow foundations such as spread footings or mat foundations for low-rise structures, or deep foundations such as piles or drilled shafts for high-rise buildings or heavy structures. Another important aspect of geotechnical services in Faridabad city is slope stability analysis. Faridabad is situated in a hilly region, and many construction sites may have slopes or embankments that need to be evaluated for stability. Geotechnical engineers assess factors such as soil type, slope angle, groundwater conditions, and external loading to determine the stability of slopes. Any development project in the city of Faridabad must include geotechnical services. In order to ascertain their qualities and behavior under various circumstances, these services entail the research and analysis of the soil, rocks, and other materials present at a construction site. Engineers can design and build structures that are secure and long-lasting if they are aware of the geotechnical features of the location. The infrastructure in the city of Faridabad, which is located in the state of Haryana, is developing quickly. Geotechnical services are becoming more and more necessary in the city due to the rising demand for homes, businesses, and infrastructure projects. These services assist in evaluating the soil's suitability for development, identifying potential hazards like landslides or soil settlement, and offering suggestions for foundation design and stabilizing techniques. Designing shallow and deep foundations is one of the main geotechnical services provided in Faridabad city. The soil types of Faridabad range from clayey to sandy or rocky soils, depending on the locality. To understand the soil qualities and choose the best form of foundation for a given project, geotechnical engineers conduct site studies. This could include shallow